This is just for the thumbnail. Trump. Well, my friends, it's June 22, 2026. I'm in Banton Krut again, and today I go to Koh Malaeng Pong. It's a 5-island, 4 smaller ones, 1 bigger ones. I go with the boat, 2,500 baht. It's okay, but first in cow. Alright, my friends. It's gonna be a hot day, but a fun day. Vámonos. Alright, I have the boatman, Captain Jack Sparrow, and we go in this direction here. Choppy sea. Here's the island. Yeah, he's having a hard time to get there. Wow. Good that I can swim good. Oh, Captain. These are waves, man. You don't want to swim here without buoy, 100%. You need the buoy. Called the 5 islands. 1, 2, 3, 4. Anlandung in der Normandie. Boatman asks the central command if he can unland here, can go here. He's not sure. Usually nobody goes here, so I'm probably the first for land to come here. Okay, central command says you cannot unland with a boat here at the big one, so we go to the smaller one. You see here, it's probably a cliff here. Wow, yeah, this is no one been here before probably. Awesome. Looks terrifying, this island. Yeah, everything is rocks here. All rocks. And here we have a beach. So we reached the beach in the Normandy, France. fancier. Here's the other smaller one. Yeah, this looks epic. I think the boatman is a little bit nervous. Yeah, here's rocks. That's rocks. I think swimming from island to island is also not a good idea. The waves are pretty heavy. Here, only Josef Köber can do this. I'm not gonna do it. Okay, these are 2 islands. Here at the end is also a building. Here. Also here. This looks like a cave here. Mission. Gretel Thunfisch gave me the mission. It's gonna start. It will be epic. Yeah, I think because of the corals. Himpa Galang,ใช่ไหม Himpa Galang มีปัญหา
ใช่ครับ
ผมเดินเล่นนิดหน่อยไม่เป็นไร
ฮะ
ผมเดินไม่เป็นไร
อ๋อโอเค
เปียกไม่เป็นไร
ช่องก่อน
Yeah, about the corals are the problem. But this view is amazing. But here would be a beach, I think, down there. Yeah, we need a plan. You see, not many people been here at the beach. Wow, massive. Check out this hole. Ah, die nicht, Yeah, we need to unland correctly. Here's also everything corals here. Yeah, actually he made it to the corals, so I walk through the corals. ไม่รู้ผมดูที่นี่นิดหน่อยชั่วโมงมากเกินไปโอเค vámonos. Okay. Gehst wieder leider. Ja, okay. Okay, komm mal ab.
slowly ครับ
Slowly, yeah. Okay. Let's go. There you see here corals. Here's the anchor. And maybe like yeah, corals are always tricky. I have a flashlight with me here at the arm at the combat shirt. Yeah, I'm glad we could make it to the shore. Epic drive. So Captain Sparrow knows what he's doing. Okay. Made it to the island, yes. Wow. Yeah. Wow. A little bit garbage. I'm very excited. Not many people been here before, probably. Especially not for long. Wow. Okay, check out the easy section first. Here. Yeah, here's some garbage. Coconut. Flip-flops. Canister. Yeah, this is steep cliffs. This is for mountaineers, not for me. Wow, Okay, there were some people here. Yeah, they use this bottle. So in a survival situation you probably survive here. Wow, here's a temple. Stones. It's a shirt. What is this? These are dicks. A big dick. These are all dicks. This is the Dick Island. Smaller dick. All kinds of dicks. You go to a deserted island, you want to find King Cobra, and you get a lot of dicks. That's what she said. But this is also a woman. What do we have here? A hole. Wow. Okay, I don't want to crawl over these dicks. Here also one. Wow. This is a super big dick. Here also. Wow. That's so weird. Dicks, dicks, dicks. Okay, I get out of the sticks. Hey, look, a jet ski is coming. Hey, a lot of jet skis out there. They're out and around the island. Maybe they want to explore too. I need to find Wilson. The mission was to find Wilson. Gretel Thunfisch, a little crab, gave me this mission yesterday. A lot of jungle. Wow. Wow. Okay, up there's a building. I hope up. Wow. Survival shelter. Spiderweb. Wow, this looks amazing. Wow. Jet skis. Those jet skis, they are everywhere. Yeah, this stone is pretty fragile. Wow. Okay. Yeah, people stayed here in the ancient days in Rome. Wow. See if I... No. No, this is broken. If I step here, it's done. You have even a trouser here. Oh. Wow, yeah, for survival, perfect. Yeah, it goes a little bit further up. Oh, wow. Okay, it's mounted here. Okay, this goes just up further in the jungle. Yeah, I go down. I like these trees. Look how massive they are. Here's another boat. Yeah, another boat is crossing here. Okay, we go down. Me and my Tosha. Here's a Falang speedboat. Just beer. What's up here? Not much. Here's a hole. Where are them snakes? It's another little hole. You can went in. Wow. It's a chimney. I need a light. Okay, nothing in there. Wow. Here would be another way up the jungle. Here's another hole. Wow. Oh shit. Okay, nothing special in here. Wow, this is epic here. Okay, I walk through the water. Okay. Stonehenge in Samui. No, it's not Samui anymore. It's no man's land. Passt, heute keine Spompernadeln, weil ich spiele jetzt die Knöchel spielen noch ein bisschen, aber es ist viel besser wie gestern. Here's the building up there. Okay, here was a ladder up there. Yeah, here on the main island there is a beach. I will ask the boatman if we can go there after this. If we go there, I will tip him pretty good. Yeah, a ladder here. Here's a rope. But here it's tricky to get up. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, check out these waves. Okay, I need both hands for this. Yeah, I don't trust this rope anymore. These here are done. the easier way up. No, not gonna risk it today. I'm not 100% fit, so no way, Jose. Also here you get up to the jungle. I tried via the sea. Yeah, maybe it's via the sea possible. Okay, I'm here in the coral reefs, and you can see here is the deeper water starts where the blue one is. Super choppy here. Here's the Hilton. Yeah, these are whole rocks. It's nothing there anymore, just rocks. Rocky Mountains. Okay, I head back. Yes! Yes! The difference here, to most islands, the rocks are very pointy, so very hard to grab. Super pointy rocks here. Because maybe there are so many digs here, so they are pointy. Yeah, it's not so much garbage here, because maybe the current goes differently, so it's nearly garbage free, I would say. Yeah, try out the end of the island again. It's nothing better than a warm Red Bull on a deserted island. Prost. Yeah, when you're thirsty, even the hot ones are good, if you know what I mean. This could be interesting for climbers who really can climb. Here's a nest of the seagulls up there. I would say let's check it out. Hello boat! Okay, here are the seagulls up there. Tourist attraction number 1, Joe X. Here's the next boat. Hello! 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 How are you doing, my friends? You okay? Awesome! I'm Joe X, YouTuber! Okay, I think I'm done here. It's just rocks, but I walk a little around. Wow, check out this massive stone formation. They can fall down there anytime. Here, everywhere. These stones are not stable, 100% not. Wow. Also here, snack. And here is something. Looks like an umbrella or a fishing rod. Wow. This makes kaboom done. So I'm not going more up here. Wow. This, I think when you scream, they fall down. Alrighty, here the water goes deeper. So I go back to the boat and ask if we can go there to the beach. I want to go to the beach. A lot of crabs here. Okay, heading back to the boat. He said to me that we cannot go there because of the waves and the corals, but we make one round with the boat. Okay, walk there. Bakarang. Yes. Remember Rambo? 5, the boatman? Yes, that's me. Okay, open up. Okay, I was here. Here's another smaller one. Here are coral reefs down there. There's also a building up there. look at this hole here. Massive hole. This would be awesome to swim to. Alright?
Ja.
Ja, på YouTube, ja?
Oh.
YouTube. Kom på en video til mig.
Ja.
Superstar. Captain Jack Sparrow. Ja, here are the 5 islands. See the other 3. Look at this bird. It's a massive bird. Maybe a dinosaur. Must be some old shelters from the ancient days. Yeah, this looks like a tick too up there. Here the sea is much calmer. Yeah, the island, they have massive holes. I think the stones are not as hard, they are more brittle. This is why they're breaking out like this. There would have been another beach at the back of the island where I was, so if I would have swim here, I would come to this beach. Yeah, up there you can see the brittle stones. Here's more choppy sea, and you can see that the stones are super brittle. You can see it. Here's also a building. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, this is the biggest island. Here was a building up. This looks the same like the beach at the other islands. There's some trash, but not much. Here's the beach. Hvad er navnet nu, mig dig? Hvad er navnet dig, mig? Tini, dig. Tini, dig. Dig. Okay, bye. Okay, gang. Go up. Yeah, cool guy. He really is Jack Sparrow. Yeah, I need to go to the big island. This was the plan from the beginning. I need to go there. Yeah, this is the biggest island. Pretty awesome that we can go here. Here's a little beach. So I check it out. It's a quick trip. Sipanati, Isipnati. Go Makap. Up. Yes. Wow, directly at the stones. Yeah, awesome. I walk on the corals. We landed. Here's some trash. I'll make a quick round trip here. Yeah, rope and stuff. Yeah, a little bit trash, not too much. Yeah, here are the stones. All right, I'll go to the other side. Oh, he's coming too. Awesome. Yeah, pretty epic island. Pretty epic. And this up here is fantastic. I like it, I love it. He is walking barefoot on the corals. These guys are born differently, man, my friends. Okay, also some rope. Yeah, flip-flops for the boatman. Yes, they're everywhere. Flip-flops are everywhere on the island. Here's a big toe. This is what I meant. Let's check up here. Okay, now I go to the other side of the island probably. Wow, this is concrete actually. This is concrete. Wow. Here as well. Concrete. Here's a hidden. Here's the other side. Wow. Wow. Yes, I made it, my friends. Mission accomplished. Greta Thunfisch. Wow, there's a walk. Here's a hidden. Check it out. It's a Buddha. It's a teddy. It's a dinosaur. It's witchcraft, my friends. Freaking witchcraft. Wow, I go down. Awesome. Yeah, the islands here are not as thrashed up. Probably because of the current. 100%. Wow. Here's also an iron basket. I mean iron. Not iron. Yeah, here was some people were here. These islands were inhabited. Yeah. Okay, here we have. What is this? Wow. What the fuck? What the fuck? Yeah, here's the sandy beach. In the Zander zone, my friends. Hell yeah. Wow. Awesome. This American flag or what is this? Yeah, it's a little bit crappy with bottles and stuff, but not too bad. What's this? Trump 2020. Can you believe this? Check this out. I cannot believe this. It says Trump 2020, keep America great. Trump 2020, keep America great. Trump. The Trump map. So I will take a nap on the Trump map. Some garbage here, some holes here. Wow, here some hole. What is this? Okay, Kühlschrank for cool your drinks. Yeah, the stones again. Check this out. Trump 2020. Here. Make America great again. Hip hooray to the United States of Israel! Yes! Awesome! Check this out! Yeah! I'm not a jump fanboy, it's just epic when you find this here. In Thailand, on a deserted island, you'll find TRUMP2020. It's impossible. TRUMP2020. No. Joex 2020. 6. Yes. Yeah, this is the best island in my whole Thailand trip now. Best island. Epic. Even the boatman likes it. Okay, here's just cliffs. I'll take a quick peek. Okay, just some styropor, garbage. Yeah, massive stones. Can I go up there? I guess I can. Quick look. Yeah, cliffs, mountains, jungle. You don't want to fall. Okay, what I'm doing now, I don't know. I'm a little bit tripping. Yep, patapadu. Yes, of course I made it. Yeah, there were a lot of iron concrete basket. Here's another one. What's this basket? Yeah, it was inhabited this island. Wow, yes! Okay, here we have a hole in the ground. Here's the trash. Typical SAMUI trash. But you can survive on this island as well. You have a Trump mattress where you can sleep. Here's another American thing. What is this? It's England, Great Britain. What the fuck is going on this island? Here's the boat. Massive, massive island. Massive Joex. Yeah, here's just corals again. Yeah, you see here the stone, also easy to break. So these stones are very brittle. Here's a tunnel. Massive wall, massive, yeah, wow, yes, yeah, that's it, heading back. It's tricky to walk on the corals. Huh? Your t-shirt, huh?
Yeah.
Flip-flops for the win. Enter the boat. Yes. Okay, epic. Awesome island. Yes, awesome captain. Here's the big ship from the ship graveyard. Today. I hope you enjoyed it, my friends. See ya. Bye. Hello. Falang like me so much.